A British lawmaker has condemned President Emerson Mnangagwa's administration for its handling of journalist President Mhlanga's detention, calling for tangible repersecutions. Mhlanga has been held for 2 months without bail, sparking concerns about media freedom in Zimbabwe. Zambia mashuka kudai panapa tiona kuti aiwa kwanzi Auxillia Mnangagwa officer mass protest in London. Kuno kwanzi ku London ndo kune ma parliamentarians are against the illegal arrest. Abulisi Mhlanga ndo subscribe like on the bell icon. Timila mnamu blani kwa mchinzi. Lord Johnny Oates, a member of the House of Lords, expressed his deep concern about the plight of Mhlanga, who was arrested for interviewing a war veteran critical of the government. In Zimbabwe, journalists are consistently silenced, intimidated, and sometimes ridiculed for doing their job. Lord Oates stated, Blessed Mhlanga's detention is a stark reminder of the regime's hostility towards press freedom. Lord Oates urged British parliamentarians to view Zimbabwe's First Lady, Auxillia Mnangagwa, when she visits the UK in June. When the First Lady speaks at the summit in London, I hope our lawmakers will seize the opportunity to confront her about her husband's authoritarian tendencies and the ongoing detention of President Mhlanga. He said, the UK government must make it clear that no more relations with Zimbabwe will remain frozen until the ZANU-PF regime respects media freedom and democratic principles. The court action comes amid growing concerns about human rights in Zimbabwe, which remains suspended from the Commonwealth. Zimbabwe activists in the UK are planning protests outside the Flare Summit, where the First Lady is scheduled to speak to highlight the country's human rights abuses. Tuzima funguro aim to be consulted to comment section medu, subscribe or like, just on the bell icon.